I will be showing you our fireworks for this year. We didn't get too much, around 100, and then we still have leftovers from last year. Looks like 3 paratroopers and a whole M1 set. So yeah, let's get right into this. First off, we'll be doing the Dakota Series, Memory Fireworks Family Pack. Okay, we'll set this off to the side. Set you up right here. There. That's about good. Like, first we got some crackling balls. I hope you guys can see alright. Some memory colored smoke balls. Okay. Ground blooming flowers. Looks like we have 2 boxes of the large snappers. Saturn missiles. Some disco flash. Two Cracker Barrel. Color Pea. Now it looks like we're getting into some of the bigger stuff. Dakota Badlands. Telbius Coop. I don't know how to say that, if that's even the right pronunciation. I don't know. Little sparkles. Ooh. You Betcha. That's a good one. I think we had that one last year. Looks like we got a huge thing of sparklers. Looks like 2 things left. One of them is Dakota Pride. And the other one is Frisky Starburst. Okay. And if you're wondering if that's it, it's not. We have this box, not quite full. Let's go through all those. Okay. So the first thing we have is a pack of Roman candles. I think we have 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Purple Haze. Fish Effect. Dakota Paratrooper. I believe we have 2 of those. Sorry if